So I want to make a quick video just explaining number 13, the word problem, on this worksheet, which is 6.4 WSP. So number 13, we're going to read it and create an equation. 8 times a number plus 5. Okay, so let's start writing as we read here. 8 times a number, I'm going to put x, plus 5. Wait, plus 5 times another number, so not the same number x, but another number y, equals negative 13. So that's my first equation. 8 times a number, 8x, plus is a plus sign, 5 times another number, so you're going to go 5y, is the equal sign, and then negative 13 is your answer on that first equation. Let's continue reading for the other equation. The other one says the sum, what does sum mean? Add. So if you add the two numbers, you're going to get an answer of 1. So if you add the two numbers, what two numbers are we talking about? We're talking about x plus y. Their answer is 1. So I've created my system by reading those sentences right there. And now I worry about canceling out either x's or y's. So what do you think? Canceling out x's or y's, what's easier? Canceling out y's is probably easier, okay? So how about this? I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by what? Negative 5. So the top equation is going to stay the same. I'm going to keep it red. 8x plus 5y equals negative 13. The bottom equation is going to change to negative 5x minus 5y equals negative 5. And now I'm able to combine and eliminate the y's. 8x, take away 5x, that's 3x, equaling negative 18. So as you can see, my x value is going to be x equals negative 6. That's one answer. I still need the other answer, so I need to plug it back into any original equation. Which one do you think is easier to plug in? The bottom blue one? Okay, so instead of x, I'm going to put negative 6 plus y equals 1. Sorry, it's getting ugly. Let me rewrite it over here. Instead of x, I'm going to put negative 6 plus y equals 1. And of course, you don't even need the parentheses right there. So to get rid of that minus 6, you're going to do the opposite, which is plus 6. And we do to one side, do to the other. So y equals 7. And we've solved the system. The ordered pair for number 13 should be negative 6, 7. So I just want to do a quick example of that word problem on this video. That's about it.